All right, so let's take a look at the Furibee H815. It is a foldable, tiny, little drone that looks a lot like the DJI Spark. Now, please don't confuse this with the Spark. They're nothing alike other than that tiny little form factor that you see here. This is a fun little toy for about 15 bucks. Right now, you can get on Gearbus for 14. We've seen it before as the DJI H815. You see that on the right. That's a 2-package drone deal. This is one. So whichever one you get, you're going to get some palm-sized fun. So let's see this H815 in action, right? It has a few nice little features here. You see that bright little LED in the front that helps you determine which is the front of the drone. That is important. It does push button flips, and it has 3 speed modes. It also features headless mode, which helps with orientation, and it does claim to have a 1-button return. Do not use the 1-button return. It'll return, but maybe to you or maybe somewhere else. So a lot of people try that and end up losing their quads. But fun little guy, fits in the palm of your hand. It is foldable, which is nice. Now, you will crash this guy. We did anyway. And when you do, you're going to have to probably fold those propellers back into the place they need to be. Now, this thing is fun. We flew around the kids here in this messy basement. They loved it. They chased it. They were chased by it. It's a fun little drone.